Life in the harsh environment. Desert ecosystems are among the most challenging places on Earth for life to thrive, characterized by extremely low rainfall, intense sunlight, and significant temperature fluctuations. Despite these difficult conditions, deserts are surprisingly full of life, thanks to remarkable adaptations developed over generations. These aren't barren wastelands. They're complex communities where plants and animals have evolved ingenious strategies to survive with limited water and resources. The success of desert organisms hinges on their ability to conserve water, tolerate heat, and find nourishment in a seemingly inhospitable landscape. Plants in the desert demonstrate incredible resilience. Many species, like cacti, possess specialized tissues for storing large amounts of water within their stems and roots. Their leaves are often reduced to spines, a modification that minimizes water loss through transpiration, the process where plants release water vapor. Other plants have short life cycles, quickly germinating, flowering, and producing seeds after infrequent rainfall events, ensuring reproduction before the moisture disappears. Deep root systems allow them to access groundwater sources far below the surface, while waxy coatings on their surfaces further reduce evaporation. These features are not simply characteristics, they are vital for survival in a water-scarce environment. Animals also exhibit fascinating adaptations. Many desert creatures are nocturnal, meaning they are active during cooler nighttime hours and avoid the scorching daytime heat. Others, like the kangaroo rat, can obtain all the water they need from their food, seeds, and insects, and produce highly concentrated urine to minimize water loss. Some reptiles have developed thick scales that prevent evaporation, while others burrow underground to escape extreme temperatures. Camels are perhaps the most iconic desert animal, with humps storing fat, not water, which provides energy when food is scarce, and specialized nostrils that conserve moisture during breathing. The relationships between desert plants and animals are often tightly interwoven. For example, certain birds rely on cacti for nectar and shelter, while also assisting in pollination. Insects may feed on plant tissues, providing a food source for lizards and other predators. Scavengers like vultures play an important role in cleaning up carcasses, preventing the spread of disease. These interactions demonstrate that even in harsh environments, ecosystems are built upon complex webs of dependence and contribute to overall stability. Understanding desert adaptations is crucial not only for appreciating the ingenuity of nature, but also for conservation efforts. As climate change leads to increased aridity in many regions, studying how desert organisms survive can provide valuable insights into protecting vulnerable species and managing resources effectively. The lessons learned from these resilient ecosystems are increasingly important as we face a future with potentially drier conditions globally, highlighting the need to preserve these unique environments and the life they support. Vocabulary list. Questions. Circle T if the statement is true according to the passage. Circle F if the statement is false. 1. Deserts are generally environments with abundant rainfall and moderate temperatures. 2. Cacti store water in their leaves, which helps them survive long periods without rain. 3. Transpiration is a process where plants release water vapor into the air. 4. Kangaroo rats get most of their water from drinking large amounts of surface water. 5. Camels store water in their humps for use during dry periods. 6. Nocturnal animals are active primarily during the daytime hours. 7. Reptiles in the desert often have thick scales to help prevent water loss. 8. Desert ecosystems lack complex relationships between plants and animals. 9. Vultures play a role in removing dead animals, which helps keep the ecosystem healthy. 10. Studying desert adaptations is unimportant for conservation efforts because deserts are naturally harsh environments.